Hey there, it's Rohit here, and here is a quick tutorial video for you on how you can use your phone camera as webcam on your PC. So it is really useful when you want to create a screen recording video and you also want to show people your face on camera as well. That sometimes you see that on the left hand side or right hand side you see a person who is talking about something or explaining something, and you see a webcam that is recording a video, and on the bigger screen they record their screen. So if you want to do that, you can do that via an app that I'm about to share with you. So here is the app, that is iruin.com. You can go to this and you can download this desktop version app from your computer. Okay, so just download, if you have a Windows or Mac, just download it at in your PC and install it. Okay, it installs like a regular software, so just install it and make sure you go to your Play Store or Apple Store, whatever device you're using. Just on your phone, just go and search for this app iRuin, and install it on your phone also. Okay, so once you install the software that I have already installed it, so just first of all open it on your PC. Make sure that your computer or laptop and your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. So make sure your device is connected to same Wi-Fi. So let me make sure that I've connected my device to this Wi-Fi, and I've connected my phone to with this Wi-Fi also. So okay, so we have run this software on our PC. So now run this on our phone also. Okay, so when we run it, okay, so as you see that as soon as we have uh, opened this app on our PC and on our phone, it has automatically get connected, as you can see here. Okay, so it's get connected right now, so it's looking good, and you can see the quality of it also. And from now, make sure you choose the right resolution. So let me choose the resolution here. Okay, so I've selected the resolution. Okay, now what you want to do is, now you can go to Streamlabs OBS. Okay, now go to your webcam. So now let me go to here, and my webcam. Okay, now open it and go to webcam and go to properties. Okay, so after going to properties, you can select the device. From here you can see all the different devices that I have here. So from here you have to click iRuin webcam. Okay, so when you enable the device, you will be able to see iRuin webcam, and from then click done, and that's it, and you will be able to see yourself here. So from then, if you want to change anything, change size, you can do that in Streamlabs. Okay, so let me show you how I've done it. Okay, so you change this size. From here you can see that this is my look, but if I go to some different screen, here you can see that you can see here me here, and here is my screen. So if you want to do this, you can do this while with this software easily. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so let me show you the quality of your phone, right? So with your phone you can get actual real quality and really good quality of video. But and some of people also don't have webcam, so if you don't have webcam, you can use this trick to use your phone as camera. So here was the quick trick, guys, that I wanted to share with you guys. It's just a small piece of software that you need to use with Streamlabs OBS or OBS, or if you have any other a program that you're using to record your screen, you can use your webcam, this webcam software, with that software also. It doesn't matter what software it is. But if you want to learn more about Streamlabs OBS, that how to set it up and how to use it, to create videos and advanced animations and transitions. Uh, Today I will do a live streaming where I'll uh, run through the tutorial of Streamlabs OBS and this webcam, and we will talk about some more settings and how you can use it effectively. So I'm doing a live streaming at 10 p.m. Indian time. So make sure you join me on my live streaming on YouTube. I will put a link on in the description and in the group also. But if you are watching this video at some later date, you can still go ahead and watch the recordings of it. So that was the quick video tutorial, guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.